You want to remove the battery first. This vehicle actually doesn't have one. Disconnect the negative terminal first. Use the 8mm ratchet wrench or wrench. Loosen up this nut right here. Disconnect that. Then you can do the positive side. Use a 10mm wrench. Loosen that up. Disconnect that terminal. Then there's going to be a mount in the back side. That should be a 13mm bolt or a 10mm bolt, depending on your vehicle. Take that out and pull the battery out. Now take the battery tray out. Use a 13mm socket. Take these 4 bolts out. And take the tray out. Disconnect the connector for the resistor. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just try to get behind here if you can. Sometimes these are difficult to take apart. There we go. Took a little effort. You can see there's a little corrosion in there. Now there's 2 screws. Take those screws out. Use an 8mm socket. I'm going to start with the bottom one. And take the top one out. And slide the resistor out. Take the new resistor and just line it up, same way the old one was. Get the bolts started. And get the bottom one started. And snug those down. Not too tight. Good. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. Take the battery tray, line it up. Just make sure you're not pinching any hoses. And get the bolts started. And tighten those down. Put the battery back in and put the hole down in. Tighten that down. Start with the positive terminal. Put the positive terminal on. Tighten it down with your wrench. Make sure it's tight. And then put the negative terminal on. Tighten that down and make sure it's tight.